Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well, learning well, and improving forward in your life with confidence and determination. Today, I am going to share a very important message for every student, every learner, and every person who wants to improve English speaking, reading, vocabulary, grammar, and communication skills. Many students ask me how can become fluent in English. Some students ask how can I improve my reading? Others ask how can I speak confidently in front of people? These are good questions, but the answer is very simple. Success does not come suddenly. Improvement does not happen overnight. Every achievement starts with a small step. Step by step, skill by skill, word by word, sentence by sentence, paragraph by paragraph, story by story, lesson by lesson, chapter by chapter, reading by reading, and learning by learning. Just think about a small child. A child is not born with the ability to read books or speak fluent English. First, the child learns letter by letter, then he learns sound by sound. After that, he starts reading word by word. Slowly, he understands sentence by sentence. Then, he reads paragraph by paragraph, story by story, and finally, book by book. This is how learning works. If you want to improve your English, do not focus on perfection, focus on progress. Learn a few new words every day, read a small paragraph every day, speak a few sentences every day, listen to English every day, practice pronunciation every day. Day by day, your vocabulary will grow. Week by week, your confidence will increase. Month by month, your speaking skills will improve. Year by year, your personality will become stronger. Many students make one common mistake. They compare themselves with others. They see someone speak fluent English and think, I cannot do that. But remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Every successful reader started with simple words. Every confident speaker started with short sentences. Every teacher was once a student. Every expert was once a learner. Therefore, never be afraid of mistakes. Mistake by mistake, we learn. Correction by correction, we improve. Practice by practice, we become better. Experience by experience, we become stronger. Whenever you read an English story, do not rush. Read slowly, read clearly, read confidently. Understand the meaning. Notice the grammar. Observe the sentence structure. Listen to your pronunciation. Feel the language. Because reading is not only about words, reading is about understanding, confidence, expression, and communication. When you read one story today and another story tomorrow, your mind starts collecting vocabulary automatically. Story by story, your imagination grows. Word by word, your vocabulary grows. Sentence by sentence, your grammar grows. Reading by reading, your fluency grows. Learning by learning, your confidence grows. Life itself is also a learning journey. A strong building is built brick by brick. A beautiful garden grows plant by plant. A successful career develops skill by skill. A good personality develops habit by habit. A successful student grows lesson by lesson. That is why patience is important. Sometimes progress is slow. Sometimes improvement is small. Sometimes results are not visible immediately. But if you continue learning every day, one day you will look back and realize how far you have come. The words that once look at difficult will become easy. The sentences that once seemed confusing will become clear. The English that once felt impossible will become natural. And the confidence that you were searching for will become part of your personality. So, my dear friends, never stop learning, keep improving. Keep moving forward step by step. Keep improving skill by skill. Keep growing word by word. Keep speaking sentence by sentence. Keep reading paragraph by paragraph. Keep learning paragraph by paragraph. Keep learning story by story. Keep progressing day by day, because success is not about being the fastest person. Success is about being the person who never stop learning. Thank you so much for watching. Keep reading, keep learning, keep practicing, keep improving, and keep growing day by day. Before I end today's presentation, I would like to leave you with one final thought. Remember, success does not come overnight. Success comes step by step, skill by skill, word by word, sentence by sentence, paragraph by paragraph, story by story, reading by reading, and learning by learning. Never stop learning, never stop practicing, never stop believing in yourself. Every new word you learn, every sentence you read, and every lesson you complete takes you one step closer to success. If you found today's presentation helpful, educational, and inspiring, then please support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English reading practice, spoken English presentation, vocabulary lessons, grammar learning, motivational stories, and daily learning content. Share this presentation with your friends, classmates, brothers, sisters, and family members, so that they can also improve their English. Step by step, skill by skill, word by word, sentence by sentence, reading by reading, and learning by learning. Your support motivates us to bring more valuable content for you every day. And don't forget to press the notification bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. Until then, keep reading, keep learning, keep practicing, keep improving, and keep growing day by day. Thank you so much. लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें हमारे चैनल को. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट presentation. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel.